Welcome to Life with a GeeFam.
Hello GeeFriends, hello everyone, it's Mommy Ryan here. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Today I'm going to be making a DIY faux cement pot. The pots that I'm going to be using today are plastic pots that I got from Dollar Tree. For this DIY makeover, all we need are white paint, a black paint, brush, and a baking soda. Let's get started, guys.
Then how come you ate the last one? The last one of what? The chocolate? Yes. Why? Because I didn't even get to eat one of those. Eat the fudge? One of those. One of what?
And here they are, guys. Here are my DIY faux cement pots. I really like the end product. So if you would love to try this at home, go ahead. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy and like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you would love to stick around, please subscribe and do not forget to turn on the bell for notifications. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next one. So stay safe and make good choices. Bye!